Having a killer resume is crucial in today's job market. Showcasing your interpersonal skills can be a game changer. These skills are about interacting, communicating, and contributing positively. Employers seek candidates with strong interpersonal skills. In this video, we'll dive into the top 13 interpersonal skills for your resume. I'll show you how to showcase these skills effectively. Ready to land that dream job? Stick around and hit subscribe. The first important skill is communication. Let's kick things off with communication, the foundation of any successful interaction. Master the art of expressing your thoughts and ideas effectively, both verbally and in writing. Be concise, get to the point, and use language everyone understands. No jargon, no fluff, just clear, impactful communication. Effective communication builds trust, fosters collaboration, and creates a smoother workflow. Second one is customer service. Let's talk about customer service. It's a skill that can make or break a business. Exceptional customer service means exceeding your customers' needs and expectations. Build genuine connections, show empathy, and make customers feel valued. No matter your industry, you'll interact with someone relying on your expertise. Mastering customer service builds loyalty and contributes to your company's success. All right, let's talk leadership and management, which is also third in the list of interpersonal skill set. Two sides of the same coin, but different in practice. Think of it like this. Leadership is about inspiring a vision, motivating your team to reach those goals. It's about getting people pumped to work towards something bigger. Management, on the other hand, is the nuts and bolts. It's about organization, delegation, making sure those daily tasks are getting done efficiently. You need a good manager to keep projects on track, hit deadlines, and utilize resources responsibly. Now, you might be thinking, Graham, I'm not trying to be the CEO of a Fortune 500 company. But here's the thing, leadership and management skills are valuable at every level. Even if you're starting out, being able to take initiative, manage your own workload effectively, and motivate those around you, that's huge. Trust me, employers notice. These skills show you're capable, driven, and ready to take on more responsibility. And that translates to better opportunities and, you guessed it, more money in your pocket. Next up, we've got teamwork, which is number 4. I know it sounds cliche, but hear me out. In today's job market, being a team player is non-negotiable. Companies are looking for people who can collaborate effectively, share ideas, and work towards a common goal. Gone are the days of the lone wolf genius working in isolation. It's all about synergy, baby. Think about it. Even if you're a coding whiz, if you can't communicate your ideas to the team or work constructively with others, your brilliance is going to waste. Employers know this, which is why teamwork is such a sought-after skill. So, how do you become a better team player? Easy. Be reliable, communicate clearly, listen to your colleagues, and be willing to compromise. Remember, a successful team is greater than the sum of its parts, and that's what employers are looking for. Let's face it, problems are inevitable, which is the most important one. Number 5 in the list. Whether it's a technical glitch, a logistical nightmare, or a budget crisis, challenges are part of any job. But here's the good news. Employers aren't looking for people who shy away from problems. They're looking for problem solvers. Think about it. Would you rather hire someone who panics when things go wrong, or someone who calmly assesses the situation, comes up with a solution, and takes action? Being able to think critically, analyze information, and find creative solutions is like gold in the workplace. It shows you're resourceful, adaptable, and can handle pressure. And the best part is, problem solving is a skill you can develop. Start by breaking down complex issues into smaller, more manageable parts. Brainstorm different approaches, weigh the pros and cons, and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Alright, let's talk about number 6th skill, which is negotiation. Now, this isn't just about haggling for a lower price on a used car. In the professional world, negotiation is about finding mutually beneficial agreements. Whether you're closing a deal with a client, working out a contract with a freelancer, or even just discussing project deadlines with your team, strong negotiation skills are key. Good negotiators are like skilled diplomats. They know how to listen carefully, understand the other party's perspective, and find common ground to reach a win-win solution. Remember, it's not about bullying your way into getting what you want. It's about collaboration and finding a compromise that works for everyone involved. Think about it. A salesperson who can effectively negotiate with a client can close bigger deals, bringing in more revenue for their company. They build strong relationships because they're seen as fair and reasonable. On the flip side, poor negotiation can lead to missed opportunities, resentment, and even damage your professional reputation. So how do you get better at this? Well, practice makes perfect. Role-playing different negotiation scenarios can be really helpful. There are also some great workshops and online courses out there that can teach you the art of persuasion and deal making. 7th, now let's talk about confidence. Real confidence is about having self-assurance in your abilities and the decisions you make. It's about walking into a room and owning it. Think about the people you admire most. Chances are they exude confidence. Employers pick up on that. Confident people inspire confidence in others. So, how do you build real, lasting confidence? It starts with recognizing your own value. Next up, 8th one, is the power of active listening. And no, this isn't just about nodding your head and pretending to pay attention. Active listening is a superpower in disguise. It's about being fully present, understanding the other person's perspective, and responding thoughtfully. Active listening means putting your own agenda aside and focusing on the speaker. It means asking clarifying questions, using body language that shows you're engaged, and summarizing what you've heard. Active listening takes effort, but the payoff is huge. You build stronger relationships and create a more positive work environment. It makes you feel valued, respected, and understood. So the next time you're in a conversation, remember to really listen. Alright, moving on to skill number 9, which is a big one, empathy. And no, I don't mean feeling bad for someone who dropped their avocado toast. I'm talking about genuinely understanding and sharing the feelings of others. Think about it. When you can put yourself in someone else's shoes, you build trust, create stronger relationships, and avoid those unnecessary workplace conflicts. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Graham, I'm not running a charity here. I'm trying to run a business. And you're right. But here's the thing. Empathy isn't about being a pushover. It's about creating a more positive and productive work environment. When team members feel heard and understood, they're more likely to be engaged, motivated, and less likely to be at each other's throats. So, how do you actually build empathy? Start by practicing active listening. Really try to understand where the other person is coming from, even if you don't agree with them. Put yourself in their shoes. Try and see the situation from their perspective. Remember, everyone is going through something, and a little bit of understanding can go a long way in building a stronger team and a more successful business. Next up is emotional intelligence, or EI for short. Now, this one's all about understanding and managing your own emotions, as well as the emotions of others. Think of it like this: IQ gets you in the door, but EQ, or emotional intelligence, is what helps you climb the stairs to the top. You see, someone with high emotional intelligence, they're self-aware, they can manage stress like a pro, and they're open to feedback, even if it's not all sunshine and rainbows. They don't let their emotions control them, they control their emotions, which is crucial in a high-pressure work environment. And the best part is, emotional intelligence. It's not something you're born with, it's a skill you can develop. Start by paying attention to your own emotions and how they impact your behavior. Practice mindfulness, learn to identify your triggers, and find healthy ways to cope with stress. Trust me, the more you understand your own emotions, the better equipped you'll be to understand and navigate the emotions of others. Let's face it, conflict is pretty much unavoidable in any workplace. But here's the thing, it doesn't have to be a negative experience. That's where conflict management and resolution comes in. This skill is all about addressing disagreements constructively and finding solutions that work for everyone involved. Look, disagreements are going to happen. It's just a natural part of working with other people. But if you handle conflict effectively, it can actually be an opportunity for growth and improvement. Instead of letting disagreements fester and turn into bigger problems, address them head on with a calm and respectful demeanor. Now, when it comes to resolving conflict, active listening is key. Hear the other person out, try to understand their perspective, and then work together to find a solution that benefits both parties. Remember, it's not about winning or losing, it's about finding a compromise that moves everyone forward. And trust me, mastering this skill will not only improve your relationships at work, but also help you navigate those tricky situations in your personal life as well. Let's talk about respect for others, differences in values. It's a powerful skill that can make or break a workplace. Diversity opens the door to a wider range of ideas and solutions. It can lead to incredible growth and innovation. Lack of respect leads to conflict and a toxic environment. That's not good for anyone's career or the company's bottom line. Start with being open-minded. Listen and understand different points of view. A workplace that values diversity thrives. It attracts top talent and achieves greater success. Last but not the least skill is curiosity. Many people hit a point in their career and stop learning. They get comfortable and their career stagnates. The job market is constantly evolving. What worked 5 years ago might not work today. Curiosity is crucial. It's about the drive to learn and explore new ideas. When you're curious, you ask questions and seek new information. That sets you apart from the competition. Successful people are constantly learning and adapting. They take courses, attend events, and challenge their thinking. Cultivate curiosity by asking more questions, embrace challenges, and seek new experiences. Learn something new every day. Your career will thank you for it. In short, the top 13 interpersonal skills that employers are looking for in 2024. And remember, these aren't just buzzwords for your resume. These are essential skills that will help you excel in any career at any level. They'll help you communicate effectively, build strong relationships, solve problems creatively, and navigate the ever-changing landscape of the professional world. Now it's time to put in the work. Identify the skills you need to improve on and start practicing. Take a course, read a book, find a mentor, whatever it takes to level up your game. Because the more you invest in yourself, the more valuable you become to any employer. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more career tips and advice. See you in the next video.